Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video I can show you the process how you guys will take a full backup for your website database and your website file if you are managing your website through WordPress and the hostinger. So in this video I will show you the exact step-by-step process, so how you guys will take your full website backup. So now we can start. So before that, if you are new on this channel, so please hit the subscribe and like button. So simply you guys can log in your Hostinger dashboard or any dashboard if you are using. If you are using GoDaddy dashboard, GoDaddy Hostinger provider, the Hostinger. So simply you guys can log into the dashboard. So there is a login button, and they can click on the login. Then they can send us a two-step verification. So you guys can see I have entered with my over my Hostinger H panel. So this is my hosting domain and the emails what I'm managing. So simply you guys can click on the hosting section. There is a manage button. You can click on the manage button, and after that you can see this is your dashboard. So simply you guys can navigate on the left corner, left section. There is a file button. You can click over there and you can click on the backups button. So you can see there is multiple backups. So this is your file backup and this is your database backup. So simply you can click on the select button and you can select recent date. So this is 24/7 and the 6. So you can click on the next step, and this might take a couple of times. So you can see you can select this and then you can click on the download all file. So this is, you can see they are preparing for your downloading file. This might be take a couple of times, so you guys can wait a couple of time. So you guys can see our backup is ready. If you're wanting, so you can download your backup. Simply you can click on this section and you can see that your backup is started downloading. So this is around 41.5 MB file. And after that, what we can do next, we have take a backup for the file backup, and then now the time is to we can take a database backup. So there, so you can click on the select button. You can select your database. So which database you are using for your website. So how you guys will, if you are haven't idea to which database you are using to your website, so simply you can select on this, go on the dashboard section, and you can we can wait a couple of time. So this is my taking loading. So you can click on the database section and you can see that this is my database username HVAGO. This database I'm using for my website. So you can see this website is connected for this database, and this is my database file size. So if you can see the database file size is 39 MB. If you are created a multiple database, so you can verify so which database you are taking backlink. So HVAGO, this is my database, and this website is connected for this database. So now the time is to, I can go again in the file section and I can click on the database backup. So select on the database. So this database is selected, and after that you can click on the show database, and you can click on the last modification, so 24/7/6, and you can click on the download button. So this might be take couple of time. Once your file is prepared, so you can click on the download to, you can save on your system dashboard, system file. So simply you can click on the download backup. So we have taken total backup for the website file backup and the database backup. So this is a simple process for the website. You guys can take your website overall backup. So if you are using Hostinger or any another platform like GoDaddy or the HostGator. So from where you can go on your backup section, you can select your file backup, your database backup, and then you can verify which database you have connected with your website, so you can download the right file. Okay, so this is a process for the backup, website backup. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me, or you are your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts on the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service, project and suggestion, so I can provide you my social details over the description section. So from there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, and if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys can hit the subscribe and like button, because these things can motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. I hope you guys will understand and you guys will do something from your side. So okay yaar, bye bye and take care.